Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT Crew Cab. On the exterior, we have a rear backup camera, power and heated door mirrors, and automatic headlights. Inside, you'll find comfortable cloth seating for 5, remote keyless entry, and automatic temperature control. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2020 Ford F-150 has less than 23,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.